Hello wherever you are, let's make some milk bath nails with real dried flowers. It's pretty easy to get your hands on dried flowers. They are available at nail art stores, craft stores, or you might even have some at home. So I'm going to pick some tiny little pieces off the flowers, just random sizes, and lay them aside. I'm starting with a off-white colour for the base of the nail, and on top of that I'm putting a clear rubber base. I'm not going to cure that, I'm going to put the tiny little pieces of flowers on there and then cure it afterwards. So again, I'm placing them really randomly, maybe crisscrossing a few pieces and overlapping, just so long as it looks a bit organic and not too neat. After I've placed all my flowers and cured that base coat, I'm taking a clear builder gel and mixing it with a milky white polish. I know that there's tons of milky white builder gels available at the moment, but this is just something I do because I don't have one. Then I'm going to be pretty generous when I cover up those flowers. I want to make sure to cover most pieces. Some bits are going to stick out, but we're going to take care of that later. So just get a nice generous layer of that milky white builder gel over the top of those flowers. When I'm finished with that milky white layer, I'm going to cure that and then go over it with another layer of the clear builder gel. When that's all placed and cured, we're going to wipe off the tacky layer and buff until it's fairly smooth. Because of the nature of this, you might get a few little pock marks or a few little ridges, but that's okay because we're going to fix that with the top coat. You can lay down a first layer of top coat just to get a seal there, and then you can maybe go over a few areas just as if you're floating a builder gel to get it nice and smooth, and give it another little buff afterwards before the final top coat. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial today. I'd love it if you commented below and let me know what other kind of content you'd like to see.